How to check if Newegg PC parts are compatible for the PC that you wanna build. Now in order to check that, Newegg have a feature called Custom PC Builder tool. In order to use that, simply open your Newegg app or newegg.com website, then tap to this three bar from the top left corner, or you can see the PC Builder directly from here in the home page as well. But if you can, tap to three bars and then tap to the option of PC Builder, which will be right here. Tap to PC Builder. Then after that, you will see the option of build your PC with AI, which is in the beta version yet. And after that, you can see the option of jumpstart your build. You can just simply select any of the suitable option. The most effective option here is to build your PC. Just simply tap to build your PC, where you can select everything according to your choice, main parts and accessory, both of this. You need to select all of these, including CPU, motherboard, memory, graphic card, casing, power supply, and all of the other option, and also the accessory. Just simply select all of the parts as you want to have in your PC, and after that it will estimate the total cost and total wattage and everything from here, and then you can add all of the PC components to your card directly by tapping into add to cart, and you can save it without adding to the cart. And this is how you can check if your PC parts are compatible or not by checking out everything from the PC Builder tool in here. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.